Hello, hi. This is Paul Fan, and today I'm going to talk about the backend, the email management from the Zaxaa's point of view. Okay, so this is the account I have, and if you have this account, you should be seeing something like this. I'm not sure your mailing gonna be the same, but it should be similar to this. And I'm going to talk about this part only. And this is more for your information product, and this is more for your dedicated server. Like I have a dedicated servers. If you have dedicated server, so I'm just talk about this. Okay, which is a marketing campaign. This is more like Aweber type of the system. Okay, and that's just more powerful. They can not just do the Aweber, they can do other stuff like dedicated server, private IP, the info marketing. It's just like all in one. So that's why I like it. And the only issue is if you are just comfortable using those heavy graphics interface and Aweber get response, you might have some learning curve. That's why I'm here for, right? Creating video. So the most important thing, and I want to do this is, I think we talk about something, sending the email, and today I'm going to talk about the regarding to landing page connection. So if you have the front end already, just go to most of people using WordPress, and I don't know anyone does not using WordPress. It's just so easy. And if you worry about if you want to make your WordPress run faster, just contact me. I have a system that make it run faster. I can just tell you directly if you want to implement. Just make sure WordPress in the Linux server, install WordPress in Linux server, and then in the VPS virtual private service, and then install the super cache. That type of the better way is to get the paid cache, super cache, and some other Rocket cache. That's paid cache. That's very good. It just makes page load faster, and plus you are in the next platform with a 2 gig or 4 gig memory. That will help. Okay, so let's go back to here. Okay, well, you have many pages, right? You create in the your WordPress. Okay, and this is my page. Okay, you might be see some dash 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 dash. That's just for me to understand the folder structure. If you have a question creating the page, you can just contact me. I help you out. And, if you want to me create everything for you, and we can talk because I do have a set of price for you to do everything for you. Any design you want. Okay, so just so you know that this is my landing page. Okay, I'll just doing a couple of them so you know what I'm talking about. I think I did this one already. I just do that before I create a video, and this is the second one. Okay, so I'm just going to see, okay, click edit, and if you have a plugin like optimized price, I have a plugin optimized price. If you don't have, you can get one as one time cost. I think $97 something. You can check the website optimized price. Okay, so this is my landing page. Okay, my domain, right, and my page. This landing page. Okay, I just have a folder structure. Okay, so you can actually just launch. When I click launch, it's actually going to optimize price because it's a plugin I install. So this is my landing page. Okay, very simple. Title, subtitle, and login. Right? There's nothing pretty much simple than this. I saw lots of landing pages, very complex with beautiful background. That work too, but I like simple. So I'm going to do is people actually subscribe into the email. What's gonna do is you click this optimize, click the pencil signs to go to the backend. All right, so I do have a Zaxaa install here. Okay, so let me actually create one that don't have. Okay, I mean just go one that don't have so I can show you because I don't know. I know I haven't completely finished this. Okay, just to show you. And I have a lot of SQ mean squeeze page. I have just a lot of squeeze page, 26, 27 different kind of squeeze page Might say why you need this. You don't need so many squeeze page, landing page, or people say you just need few, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. But the reason I have so many because I'm testing them, and also because I promoting other people's creating other people landing pages. That's why I have so many of them too. So I do that for um, a lot so that you can see. Okay, so I'm going to do is squeeze page number 2. I'm gonna do a number 2 here. Okay, number 2, edit. It's a plain. Okay, launch. Alright, so same thing. It's a title, subtitle. It just happen to be I just add the one word reveal, but the title, subtitle is here, and let me in. So this is a type of format, very simple. So again, click the pencil because this is actually one block. It's from the template optimized brace. So I actually click here. I don't see the pencil here. It might be something other block. So here is the brace. Okay, so I bring this one. I just need to click the pencil again. All right. So this one you can see this has my HTML ARP reach. Okay, because I have ARP reach server. I'm not sure I'm gonna create the ARP reach because not many people use this. This is more advanced self-host server, and I'm actually warming the server, so I just send a few. So this is actually do that because you have a you have an application programming interface API, and they support ARP reach. It works seamlessly. So I'm going to do is custom form, okay, and form HTML. But before I do that, I want to show you some other form which is I create for other people before, because I want to show you some difference so you can see the differences. Okay, so this one, let me show you one of them. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 6, 7, 8. Let's go to the first page. Okay, let me choose this one. Okay. It's okay for that. It just means optimized brace is not enabled yet. Okay, I just want to show you here. Okay, so this is original. So this one actually is custom form and connecting to where? To Aweber. Okay, so you can see aweber.com, right? So that website is also the original Aweber. So I need to find out what's the redirect page. Okay, so there's a redirect page. Okay, and I'm gonna check the what else. Okay, pretty much that's it. Okay, let me go back to here. So I have redirect page. Okay, it's just different. Domain. Okay, we spawn, and I'll just using that. Okay, so you need to create the HTML web form. So let's go to the form. Let's see what's the form. I did this once here. Okay, manage web form. Okay. So I create just code Paul, and this is a form. You can actually create a new form, but when I do the edit, you can see the same thing. Just 1, 2, 3, 3 step. When you create a new form, it's the same thing. Show you 1, 2, 3, 3 step. So you just type your name of the form, okay, and add to the follow-up sequence. If you do not have follow-up sequence here, which is they are talking about is sequence, okay, you can manage a sequence and add sequence. Sequence is like you send an email every day as sequence. If you Do not have that, just keep no. If you have, just keep yes. And double upping, okay, double upping, just say no, or you can choose yes if you want, no. As long as you turn to black, that means does not recommend. And yes is recommend, okay. But you just know the pro and con is no. If you say no, it's much easier for you to not get in the spam complaint or anything like that. If you say yes, then you're gonna be having more, having less of the, upping rate. I mean, people they are log into your website, give you email, but they never check email. Maybe they give you the incorrect email. Boom, bingo. That's the way you can filter them. Okay, for me, I check the no and thank you page. Okay, default. Okay, you can see the default thank you page. From Zaxaa is this company, which is very bored. And we're gonna change that, right? And you can see the default subscribe page. Okay, you already subscribe to a list. It's also very boring, right? Both are very boring. So we're gonna choose a custom. All right. So first one, I want to choose this custom. This one is a thank you page, and so this will be my thank you page. And you could be anything. I will just tell you that this is my thank you page. Okay, it's I can show you what the thank you page looks like. My thank you page. Okay. Okay, so this is my thank you page looks like. Okay, this is my thank you page. Okay. So I'm gonna use this one. Okay, thank you page, and already subscribe page. Okay, you're gonna choose already subscribe. If you don't have one, I recommend you do one because you don't want people already subscribe and just show that oops, you already subscribed. That's very bad, right? I mean this one. That's very bad. This is default, by the way, right? You already subscribed. If they already subscribed, you want to send to the affiliation product, right? So. Not sure that you watch my video, you have the click magic, but I will create a couple tutorial about this. Well, by the way, if you want me to create a click magic and connecting to the WordPress for you, I can do that. Just contact me. I'll give a very reasonable price, which is you will say is very good price. But it's not free, definitely, and it take me a long time. Go to a training, coach, do this, I would just say be honest, do this, to create this cost me $4,000. Yes, it's only $4,000 from other people. Then I learned, after I create this page, I learned, but I'm not going to charge you. Just create that page and charge you $4,000. Okay, not even half of them. So contact me and I'll give you a good price. So it will be just like that, so you can actually marketing next day, tomorrow. Well, I'm not again, I guarantee I can finish in 24 hours, but 24 to 72 hours. You can have things done. At the most 1 week, you get all things done, depends on people, and you can actually start marketing right away. So so what's my already login? If you are already logging, I'm going to do is I'm going to give them the different kind of link, okay, and it's just my setup. I'm gonna give them like this link. I think. Let me see what other links I am creating and working on. Okay, so I just want to make sure that these all files are for me, because I want to make it the same flow as Aweber, because I have Aweber. This time I'm just going to change the Zaxaa, so I want to make sure everything is okay. I don't think there's a already subscribe in the here. I don't believe. I just want to double check because this form I just create copy paste and so easy. I never check that. Otherwise, it's going to use my own. Okay. Redirect on this. Okay, so this is already subscribed. So already subscribed, go to here. Okay, so this is going to be the same thing I'm going to do. Okay, remember this is a click match link, right? Click match. Now I can just tell this link and the one I just showed you is the same. Okay, this is a thank you page and this is already subscribed. It's why I'm saying they are the same. Why? Because This one is a redirect, so I'm actually trying to calculating, because once you try to calculating the click-through rate, everything in the backend, you need to have a page and redirect to another page. I know it's gonna take time to do that. Browser take time. That's why I say you want to set up your workplace in the Linux, and I'll just show you briefly. I have a lot of workplace. Set up in Linux, like Walter. This is one of my favorite, and you can see that I have a couple of Linux account here. Okay, so I just do what I'm talking about. So this is actually all the account. It's not so expensive. You check the pricing. Just go there. Well, if you have me do that, I will do that all for you. You don't have to even worry about the sale of that. By the way, I'm here to give you a tutorial, and if you're able to follow, you have this ability, then just do that yourself. Okay, so here is redirect, and this is a thank you page. All right, so we have that done. Let me get redirect. Okay. All right, if you're curious, want to see what the redirect page is, okay, I'll show you the redirect page looks like. Okay, so this is a redirect page. Okay. All right, so redirect page in my link I sent to the still thank you page. Well, that's fine. That's okay. All right, I'll send to the same page. I'll just keep the same. Okay. I'll just keep the same with everybody this time, and then if I want to, I will change that later. But I just want to keep the same form here. Alright, so add tracking. I already have tracking with Click Manager. I don't really want to do a tracking. Okay, but if you want to tracking with somebody on subscribe, you can add some keywords and keyword over there if you want to. Normally I just like to do for character. Okay, just random character. Okay. Now, if not, then just put over, nothing there. A tab if you want to. All right, so this one is done. Then I'm going to go to design. Design publish pretty much not, because we are using Optimize Play. You don't even need to worry about that. If you want to have a first name, put just add the new field at the first name. Otherwise, just using the email. And this one doesn't matter. You talk about it. Optimize Press, we're gonna override this one. And publishing, and this is the code. Okay, and copy. Once you copy them, just go to your displays and just paste, right? So paste. All right. So that's it. And you know what? Just go down a little bit and double check. Make sure the email service provider domain is there. Okay, whatever the name is, different email service provider, different name. I just show you the AirWeber, right? For AirWeber, that's they are using this name. Oh, where's my page? Oh, yeah. Go down. See? Okay, this is AirWeber's name. Okay, and then this is a Zaxaa. Okay, much shorter. Then just click the insert advanced option. Since this is not a video for the advanced website, but if I create the tutorial about advanced play, so the advanced option is just choosing additional the look of the bottom, everything. Okay, I choose this one. I didn't create this one. This is one of the template. One of out of dozen template. I just choose this one. Okay, so it's done. So once it's done, okay, we're gonna choose update, which means save. Okay, then we're just gonna save and continue. Just make sure you save everything and keep save. And we're gonna do view public link. We're gonna test, right, before we exit the page. So we open the page, test. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually put the email. Okay, so I'm just gonna put email over there, and yes, naming in, right? So just first, let me just make sure. Okay, this one is safe. Okay, everything is safe and close. If you have two-step opt-in form, okay, which is I do not use those two-step opt-in form, but if you have two-step, which is you after you log in, opt-in, and then there's another page for opt-in again. Okay, two-step. We can do that. but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go to manage the form here. Manage form. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this I'm going to do is search by name last 7 day. Okay, so this is my form. All right. No, I don't want to duplicate. Okay. Coach Paul. And this form is saved to the web form, create form. Major contact. Okay. Email past 7 days, past 7 days. So actually, I have them everything creating in here. You know, I'm going to create another list. I don't want to create into here, but why not, right? I'll do this. Why not? I'll just create into this form, but I want to make sure, you know, I don't have this email there. Okay, so I don't have this email, so that's good. Okay, so I'm going to do this and let me in, and then you should go to the thank you page. Well, the already login, I also send them to thank you page instead of say, oh, oops, waiting. Okay, so this is my thank you page. All right, that's fine. If I type the link again, it should still go to thank you page. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so this form is pretty much done. Okay, now we just want to make sure that it actually save in here for all. Yeah, it's there. Okay, because it's already there, and so it's a 2 minutes ago, so it does here. Okay, let me actually use another one. Okay, this time what you're going to do is test1@gmail.com. This is fake email, but I just want to make sure it actually save. Okay, all right. Test 1. Yeah, it's here. Okay, just now. So it worked. Okay. So I can delete this one. Email. Delete. Select contact. Apply. So you can actually keep sending, right? Test 1. You don't want to. So I just delete this test 1. Okay. So it worked. So that's how you actually creating, you know, connection, you know, between your mail and your sequence. So I only have one list. Okay, that's why everything is here. And you can also import list. If you go to the manage this, the manage message contact. That's everything. Just show everything. Email. Okay, and let me. Oh, I was delete one. So they actually do able to sort by the time. So this is 4:23. So by the time. Okay, so that's how I creating the backend. So once you save to backend, and you can start integrating campaign. Okay, so you know, just go. You can create a message, and then it will become saved in Drive. Once in the Drive, just go to broadcast, and then create a new broadcast and send. Pretty straightforward. This is Paul. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a very blessed day. Bye bye.